Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Create with Kayla. If you're new, welcome. Today we're going to be creating these Dollar Tree jingle bells, trying to get in the Christmas spirit. So first what you're going to do is take off the excess stuff on this bell. I'm even going to rip off the ring because we're actually going to replace that ring with some nautical rope. Okay, so the spray paint I chose is this camouflage Rust-Oleum spray paint. It's very, very pretty. It actually goes on as shiny first and then finishes as if the color is clay. Here I'm just spray painting the inside of the bell after it dries. But make sure you do about 2 to 3 coats because I only did one and you can see a little bit of the red at the end of the video, but that's okay. Just make sure you do about 2 to 3 coats on these bells. That way the color sticks on there. Or maybe start with a primer. So I did get these rings, these wood rings from Michaels. They're about $2, but I did use the coupon at Michaels, so they rounded about $1.38 for about 5 of these rings. So head over to Michaels and grab these rings. I thought they were really, really pretty touch to these bells. What I'm doing is grabbing the nautical rope from the Dollar Tree and I'm just going to cut off a piece from it and I'm going to tie this at the bottom of the ring to hang from the bell. So now we're going to get the wooden stick from the Dollar Tree in the crafter square section and we're going to glue this to the top of that ring that we just made. In order to make the knot, we're going to go back and get some of that nautical rope and we're going to pull it apart. And this part, you're going to have to take a skewer and then glue the tip end of the nautical rope to the skewer and then finagle it through the hole. So I just tied a regular knot on here in order to have this hang from anything. Doesn't matter how you do it, this is just the way that I chose. You can use the actual ring that came on there, but I thought this would give it a more boho touch. In order to make this hang from the bell, you're going to need to place some glue on the tip of the stick, and then you're going to piece together that end inside of the bell, and you're just going to put it onto the nautical rope. Alright, and here's your final look. Like I said, make sure you put about 2 to 3 coats on there just so you can cover up that red on the bell. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to see every time I upload. Bye!